Hello everyone, I am Anjali Maurya, PRT from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3, Agra Cant. Phonemics awareness activities. Under the activities, I am going to explain an activity named nonsense. It does not mean it's going to be nonsense, it's going to be very fruitful for you all. It is a listening game. Our objective to develop the child ability to attend to difference between what they expect to hear and what they actually hear. Material we need: book of familiar stories or poems. So let me explain this activity. Invite the children to sit down and close their eyes so that they can concentrate on what they will hear. So this activity can be performed anywhere, or in classroom or outside the classroom. You have to just make the children sit down and close their eyes so you can read poem or story that you have decided. Then recite or read aloud a familiar story or poem to the children, but once in a while, by changing its words or wording, change its sense to nonsense. For example, you are reading a line, twinkle, twinkle, little star. You have to jumble the words or the sense of your sentence. The children challenge is to detect such change whenever they occur. When they do, encourage them to explain what was wrong. As the game is replayed in more subtle variation across the. It will also serve usefully to sharpen the children's awareness of phonology, words, syntax, and semantics of language. As illustrated in the following list, you can change any text in more or less subtle ways at a number of different levels, including phonemes, words, grammar, and meaning. Because of this, the game can be profitably and enjoyable revisited again and again throughout the year. Even so, in initial plays of the game, it is important that the changes results in violations of the sense, meaning, and wording of text that are relatively obvious. Following are some examples of nonsense that can be created within familiar poems and rhymes. Look at the table. I have given some example to perform this activity. For example, song a sing of sixpence. Here the words has been reversed. So whenever you read this, the child will recognize that the words has been reversed. Baba purple ship. Substitute words. The words has been substituted. Twinkle, twinkle, little car. So here the child will recognize that word car is not in the previous learned poem or the right. Humpty Dumpty wall on a set. Swept word order. So in this sentence, the word order had been swept. So you can do any of the thing. You can reverse the word or substitute new word or swap the order of the words. So enjoy this activity in your class, all of you. That's all from my side. Thank you all for watching this video.